Crack. That sound. Satisfying or scary? Let's bust a myth. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. That pop? Because of gas bubbles in your joint fluid. When you stretch the joint, pressure drops and bubbles form or collapse, creating that familiar pop. It's called cavitation and it's totally normal if there's no pain. If it doesn't hurt, it's harmless. No pain, no problem. But if it causes pain or swelling, stop and check with a doctor. So go ahead, crack away, but keep it safe. Follow for more health truths.